Today we will see how to add admin on Facebook page. For doing it, you have to go to your page first. After coming your page, you have to click on right top corner. Then you have to click on professional dashboard. Then you have to go below side and click on page access under tools option. So I'm clicking page access. People with Facebook access and people with task access. You have to click on people with Facebook access, add new portion. Then you have to click the next. Then you have to search to that person. So I'm searching. So I'm making this person as my Facebook page admin. Then I have to click on give access. Then actually the password option will come. You have to give your password. So in this way, actually you can add admin on your Facebook page.